When BNSF first leased the locomotives, it said until November
Why they
2nd.
leave them?
Because they thought, I guess they thought by then they would get the problem fixed. I think they did. Idiots if they do that.
Right, you see a police pursuit. One car goes, another cop goes, but another one stops. Yeah, you crazy son of a bitch.
Yep.
Don't do that, huh?
Exactly. You're risking your life. Not good.
One hell of a cop.
Yeah. Yeah.
Fuck yeah, if you're the other guy. Hop down the 91 and out of here.
Oh, nice. You're 4-liter.
Majority of them are single. That's crazy. Stopping this train anytime soon, huh? I'm feeling weak, Hobart. That's a rare catch now.